What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got another small guess what's in the box video. It is a small bag from Amazon. It is for an electronic, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? So this is just another guess what's in the box video. It's a small little bag from Amazon. So it's a pretty big bag. The item, I'm sure, is not as big as the bag. So the bag is 14 inches long. It is 8 3/8 inch wide, and at the widest point it is 1 7/8 of an inch tall, or deep. This bag. So this is what's actually in the bag. So half the bag stops right here. So the actual dimensions of what's in the bag is 4 7/8 long by 4 1/8 wide by 1 3/4 deep. That's what's actually in the bag. This is for an electronic. It is for a camera. And you guys who know me as well as you do, because you guys watch me frequently, you guys might be able to guess what this is. It's a protective item. If you can guess what model it's for, that would be pretty spot on. I was doing that thing. If you guessed right, I'd give, you know, some random stickers out, but I'm not really doing that anymore because it doesn't seem like it works for my channel. A lot of people don't like these videos, so I've gotten tons of complaints. Well, I just want to see what the item is. I don't care about these guess videos. So I'm not really giving away stickers anymore because, you know, I very rarely found anybody that actually got them right, and who did get close. It wasn't, you know, the way I had it set up, you had to guess exactly what it was to get a sticker, and most people don't seem to care for stickers, I guess. None of them were channel stickers. I don't have any channel stickers. They were just stickers of other channels and other people I know that I had an abundance of stickers. And so I'm not really doing anything for them anymore. I'm just doing this just to have fun. To me, making these videos is fun. They're under 5 minutes most of the time. But what do you think is in it? We'll take it out the bag in the next video. Do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below. I also do have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order, Ulsa Tools, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools when you guys use it. I do appreciate it. All the affiliate links don't cost you anything extra. They don't put a charge on your account or anything for you using my link. Just Amazon gives me a little cut for you guys going that way if you guys use it, or whoever you're using the affiliate link for. Want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, subscribe, non-subscribers, people that watch, people that, you know, watch the ads on the videos, people that even leave comments down below, even people that don't like the videos. If you put a dislike, you like, you know, I want to say thank you to all you guys, because you guys are the reason the channel's monetized. I got tons and tons of things coming to the channel. We're going to be doing head-to-head demos now. Channel is paying for a lot of things, so I'm going to be picking up wood with the money from the channel. We're going to be doing hammer drills head-to-head against other hammer drills. Same with impact wrenches, impact drivers, like this mid-torque sitting here for Milwaukee. Do appreciate you guys' time. If any of those things interest you, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get future updates. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!